In previous relationships, I never forgave myself for what I allowed to happen, including in that one. So forgiveness played a huge part into how I would approach dating again, because if you don't forgive, you won't release people or release the situation. And we're doomed to repeat the same things over and over again. And then I had to look within myself and say, well, where is my confidence? What is it that I need from me? Where is the love that I need to receive from me? Because one thing that I teach my clients is that my happiness is my responsibility. Your happiness is your responsibility, not someone else's. Because if they leave or take it away, then what are you left with? We can't count on other people to make us happy. Our happiness is our responsibility, as well as our joy comes from God, but our joy doesn't come from anybody else. And once we understand that and we go back to building our confidence and loving ourselves again, because let's face it, how do we expect someone to be with us if we don't want to be with us? If you're single and you don't like spending time with you, how do you want somebody else to spend time with you?
For real.
I had to learn how to enjoy my own company. I had to learn how to put myself first in a way that I was in an overflow place, meaning that I had plenty to give because I was giving so much to myself, and I wasn't expecting it from other people, but I was allowing myself to be filled, because a lot of times we put our needs and our wants on other people when really it is up to us to do these things. It is up to us to build our self-esteem, not someone else's. It is up to us to love and care for ourselves, because when we think about love, what is love? Love is when you take care of something, when you take time with it and you take care of the needs of it. So when we truly love ourselves, when we know that we need something, we'll take care of that need.